today. Toys and crumbs are in the way. But don't you worry, don't you frown, I know how to turn it around. Oops, I made a mess, but that's okay. I clean it up in a happy way. Pick it up, put it back, with a smile and a little clap. Blocks on the floor, dolls in a row, cars and crayons everywhere I go. Time to tidy, sort and stack. Let's get all those toys right back. Oops, I made a mess, but I can't fix it. I clean it up, just takes a minute. Wipe and sweep, pack and clap. I'm a helper just like that. Crumbs on the table, juice on the mat. Oops, I spilled it just like that. Grab a towel, wipe it dry. I'm a cleanup superhero, oh my. Swoosh goes the broom, clap goes the bin. Zip up the bag, let the fun begin. Even when we slip or drop, we can always make it stop. Oops, I made a mess, but it's alright. I clean it up with all my might. DiamondDKids shows the way to clean with joy every day. I did it myself, now it's clean and neat. High five, little helper, you're so sweet.